Welcome, today we're with me HONOR Magic4 Pro and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now we can see I'll make just a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature here works so fast and correct. We can just unlock the device less than in half of the second. This is the really good result here. I just want to try one more thing. I want to unlock the device with the glasses. I set up my face recognition without of them, and now I'll wear them and I'll try to unlock the device with the glasses. So 1, 2, 3. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works also hard correct with the glasses here. Just no problem to unlock the device with the glasses or without of them. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.